Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for XEC. So as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we can notice is the swing high. So this is the highest point price has gotten, and we can see clearly from these candles a strong rejection from this level. Now let's go ahead and hop into the weekly because we don't have a lot of price action to work with. Now what can we see here? Well, we notice a bit of a zone. We can see price came down and reversed drastically at this level, acting as support. As price broke through and reversed, we've seen a reaction to this level as resistance. Support turned resistance, and we see multiple reactions to the level from all of these long wicks. Now, if we move on down, we notice another key level here. So let's draw in a zone. As price came down, we've seen a reaction from this level. Price broke through, reversed, got rejected from this level, falling down. As price came back up to this level, we've seen another rejection. We can see this more clearly on a line chart. The price broke through, came up, and reversed. As price came back up, we see a rejection from the same level. Now, let's look at more recent price action. What can we see? We can see price reacting from this level here with long wicks all throughout, showing multiple reactions to the level. So this is a very key support level. And if price breaks through and closes below, further downside could happen. Now, we also notice a level here. Where price has rejected moving past. So price came down and reversed, and we see long wicks here rejecting the level and falling down. As price comes back up, we see multiple long wick candles reacting to the level with candle bodies closing at the key level, reversing drastically. So we also notice a level here. And let's make sure we extend it into the future. So as price came down, we see key candlesticks as it reversed and forming a double bottom at this key level. We've seen a drastic move to the upside, reacting to our other key level here. So this is a very key level as we see multiple reactions, obvious to spot, and we see a drastic move away from the level. Now let's zoom out. So based on the price action we see here on the chart, these are all the key levels we can plot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you got any value from it today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.